Hello, this is just a short video. It's about the inlet manifold. I don't know if I can show you straight from above. Yeah, there we are. Now the inlet manifold has this huge restrictor on it, which is probably a quarter of the diameter of the hole, which is quite surprising. So what I've done with this one here, I've completely removed it and opened up all the back of it here. So I've completely removed it, then put JB weld obviously over the hole, and I'm about to do a flow test. So it'll be interesting to see what the difference is. Okay, I'm just about to measure the feet per minute flow rate on a normal heater with that restrictor in place. Okay, so this is the one I pulled it out last night and took out that restriction and filled the hole up with JB weld. Let's get the fans going.